So this is the code. As you can see here, I define buttons on port F. The reason I use port F is because they're all next to each other, which makes for nice easy wiring for my push button, which was on its own integrated circuit board, which made it very easy. Going down, we've got setup, integers, etc. And now in our setup here, I've used the timers on H&L, so that's 4 and 5. The reason I didn't use 3 is because originally, as I said, I had port E as my push buttons, which I changed over, and I just left 4 and 5 as what I've used. You can see here I'm using a channel A through C on 4 and A and B on 5. And the position there is at 0. More setup. And then I'm going to move into how the push buttons work. So, oops, obviously I didn't save after the last iteration. Yeah, so what I've got here is the push buttons code is detecting the pin from the definition up above, and it's returning a value, and when that value is returned, it is operating a function, and these functions I've written below, which I'll go into a bit more detail in a second. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sine functions, and I've got 2 other functions. One is called reset and one is called change speed. I'll go into those now. So reset here is basically it just sets the fingers back to open 0, as you saw just before with how it operated. So that's the part of the code that sent it back. And I've got the sign for each individual character or letter, so there's A, E, I, L, and U. And I've got the delay, change speed delay. It's actually taken a lot of time to figure out. Originally I had a variable in the delay millisecond here. What I had was this piece of code. Close the door. This piece of code was in the function here, and I had a variable in here, but apparently the compiler needs to be able to recognize that value. Otherwise it'll break, so I've had to write this funky little bit of code here to make it toggle. So this code makes the delay toggle between 10 and 100, and then it goes into our line item there for each function for the sign. And that's how that works.